Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new rental unit that we have for rent at 26 Avery Heights Drive in Holden. So we're here on the Avery Heights Drive road now. It's a nice quiet road. Once you see the house, you'll see that there's the big driveway here in the front. And it's got plenty of width, and it leads up to this one attached one-car garage. So it's plenty of parking, plenty of ways to get in and out coming through here. And then that kind of comes up the steps over here to the front. And as soon as you come in through the front, opens up to the living room. So it's a really big living room. I should say that this place is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single family. And it's got plenty of nice features. And what I'm gonna do is kind of go around and try to get as many angles as I can to give you the best idea of the size and the dimensions of this place as I can. So you got these huge living room windows and fireplace right here. It's not active at the moment, but it is a nice thing for the living room to have there. And you can see this is a coat closet. As soon as you come in through the front, there's a coat closet there. It's got hardwood floors going throughout here and some of the other hallways and bedrooms. And there's some tile mixed in as well. Nice brickwork too around where the fireplace is. And over here, this is the dining room. So dining room is pretty spacious. It's probably big enough for like a 4 or 6 person dinner table. And you could definitely have that fit in here. It's got the nice baseboards going throughout the unit. And then coming through the living room and the kitchen, those both connect into this, or the living room and the dining room, those both connect into this kitchen. And the kitchen has a full set of appliances. So you've got the fridge, stainless steel dishwasher, and a gas stove, nice induction stove, as well as an oven right there. A lot of people prefer the gas stoves. I know I normally do. So it's nice to see that there. And you got some nice finishes in here. Nice wood pattern that kind of goes well with the rest of the house and everything. It's a kitchen backsplash. And it's nice to see all these things over here. Even in the kitchen, there's probably more room to fit another table if you did want to, or just some shelves and other stuff that could fit in there. But it's definitely plenty of space. Then we come here to this hallway. So this hallway is going to go to all the bedrooms and the other 2 bathrooms. One of the bathroom is a master bathroom. It's connected to master bedroom at the end of the hall. So we'll take a look at that in a second. But we do have this over here. This is the first room that we're taking a look at. And this is one of the smaller rooms out of them. There might be a smaller room down the hall, but it's definitely big enough for like a queen size bed and a desk / dresser setup. And I would say that that's going to be the case for the other ones in here too. This is the bathroom. This is the main bathroom. It's probably the shared bathroom if the other one's a master bathroom attached to the bedroom. But it's a little bit more spacious than that one. And it's got, pretty much everything you need. You got the sink vanity, nice shower with the tile kind of going throughout. And so that looks really nice to see. It's a nice window, so that goes out to the backyard that you'll see in a little bit when we wrap our way around. There's a linen closet over here. Then coming in here, this is probably the one that's the smallest out of all of them. But there's still plenty of space, I would say, for like the queen bed, desk / dresser setup, and everything in here. And that's the window to the back as well. It's got the heating, nice closet over here as well. And closets are all pretty spacious. So those are the first 2 rooms in the bathroom, and we have these other 2 rooms down here. Take a look at the master bedroom now. So master bedroom's got this big front-facing window, lots of light coming in, and the nice hardwood floors in here as well. They definitely feel pretty sturdy when you're walking around. And yeah, as I mentioned, this would be, definitely big enough for a queen, and then that desk / dresser setup. Even this one might be good for a king. Just make sure that you check the dimensions if you do come to a showing. We've had people with king beds, and then their king bed couldn't fit through a door at a different unit. So it's always good to check and maybe bring a tape measure. And then over here you got this master bathroom. So master bathroom's got the standing shower, nice fiberglass tub, and this vanity with the medicine cabinet. It's actually a pretty nice decoration right there too, with the, well, not a decoration, just the fixture of the light. And it's got the window in here as well. So lots of windows, plenty of light throughout this whole thing. It goes well with all the space that it kind of comes with. And this is the 4th bedroom. So 4th bedroom's back here. It's got its own closet. There's a couple of curtains up there. If you saw the living room, we folded up those curtains. I was actually looking for those. Those are just in case you want to use them or if you want to bring your own curtains. And so 4th bedroom over here, definitely plenty of space like the other bedrooms had. And it's nice that it has that little place to walk out on the door frame side. And that's pretty much the full first floor with all the rooms, living room, kitchen, bathrooms over there. Now we can take a look at the area that's downstairs. So coming back through the living room, back through the kitchen, could just go straight to the kitchen too. This is this back area here. So you've got the door that goes to the yard, and there is a laundry room. So you walk down here. It's nice that it's not directly up against the door, but you do have this nice laundry room with these linen shelves and already installed with the hookups. And then over here, this goes out to the back porch. And so it's a really big backyard. It's a huge backyard. It's got lots of tall trees kind of going around. So it's really good privacy in here. It kind of feels like its own space. And you know, all the plants and everything look really nice. There is a little bench around that side that I did see. And check out the listing to see from some different angles, because I took some pictures from the other side of the yard. And then this would be the porch. Just give you an idea of the size of the porch too. Then coming back through, this just goes down to the garage and the basement. There is a side exit over here. And garage and basement are down here. So you've got the 1-car garage. I've got the door pulled up right now. And plenty of space in here. And also the owner left some nice amenities. So there's a snow blower and a lawnmower, a couple shovels, a couple buckets and some ladders and everything that got left. And she did a good job clearing out all these shelves. Shelves were kind of full of some items, but we did a big clean just to make the storage kind of, you know, a little bit more. And you'll definitely see that in here. So this is the basement. There's only some stuff that's been left behind. Like we've got a lot of shelves in here that's just for your convenience. And got these AC units, which are provided by the owner. They're not included as part of the rental, but they did have them. So it's an offer in case you do want to use them. And looking around here, you got the furnace and the oil tank back around on this side. So really nice basement, really nice storage. If you're looking for a single family with a lot of storage, this would be a great option here. And FYI, at some point this was a workshop, so it's got a lot of character. You can see where the little post to, you know, to mount the wood is. So that's really cool to see. And you got the big breaker on the background on this side too. So lots and lots of storage down here, lots of space upstairs as well. So if you would like to see this or any more information, please go to nexuswor.com and go to our for rent page. That'll show you all of our vacancies, as well as the information and an option to reach out to the listing agent. And once again, this was Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester, 26 Avery Heights Drive in Holden, Mass.